Hey everybody,
Hi.
we just thought we would do a little video. Olivia and I are the campers in this house, and every year I always, during the winter, end up collecting lots of new things to use on our camping adventures. So we just thought it'd be fun to show you some of the things that we've gotten to use this year. So first, we got some lights. Do you want to turn it on? Do you know how? Right there. We got a few lights to light up our campsite, or if we are tenting, you can light up our tent. So we got a couple of these ones. These are from the Dollarama. They're really nice lights for the dollar store. And they're rechargeable as well. So we got a couple of those. And you want to show these ones, Olivia?
Yeah. Need to come away.
Right there. No, you gotta press the button inside. Yeah. Ooh, that button right there. And they do different light types as well. See? So yeah, there's a couple of those. What's in this one, Olivia?
I get a fan.
Yeah, that's a fan, and you can use it. You can use it as a ceiling fan. Hold on a second here. A ceiling fan like this. And the light comes on as well. And it also comes with a stand. So you can make it a desktop fan as well. See? Whoops. Desktop fan. Needs to be adjusted a little better because I just kind of put it on there. But what do you want to show next, Olivia? All right. What's that one on the top for?
That's a toilet paper home.
Keep your toilet paper dry when we go camping. And a pretty fancy.
Why did you pick that?
I got this on Temu. No advertisement for Temu here, but a lot of this stuff is Temu. So yeah, this because we set up an outdoor washroom to make it easier for Olivia. So keep your toilet paper dry.
And she like coffee. You have hot stuff. You can put it on now.
And they have a little trailer on them like ours and a puppy. They're pretty cute. All right, Olivia,
And they're my favorite color.
And they're your favorite colors. Blue. All right, what do you want to show next?
A vacuum.
Okay, yeah, this is cool. Little rechargeable vacuum. Just a little thing like this. So if cleaning up the trailer floor or the tent floor, because sometimes somebody spills things. So so that'll be good for that, and it comes with the filter and a little brush thing to put on the end. And like I said,
it looks like a hair blow child.
It looks and sounds like one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What would you like to show next?
These.
Yes, our little wooden cups. Cheers. Yeah. Those are made of wood, real wood.
Wooden teacup stuck inside.
Wooden teacups, yeah. All right. What would you like to show next? Do you know what that is?
Tea pot.
Well, you probably could make tea in it if you want to, but it's a coffee percolator. You just sit it on the stove. So you put your water in the bottom and then your coffee in here. And when it boils, it comes up through this, and there's your coffee in there. It's a cute little one. I got that on TV as well. What do you want to show next?
The coffee thing.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing in it right now. That's just a little canister to put my coffee in. This has a seal thing to keep it fresh and everything. So, and I just thought it was a cute design as well on the front of it.
Camping cup.
Yes. We decided to get some tall cups. And it has our YouTube logo on it. And yeah.
The flag.
The flag. You want me to hold it up or you want to hold it up?
The camping flag.
Yeah. Put it up at our campsite.
Now if you want to read that.
It says camping rules. Wake up smiling, enjoy the music, smell flowers, relax and unwind, nap often, sit by the fire, eat s'mores, watch the sun set, and make memories. Got that at the RV show.
Yeah.
Oh, like this is a Temu fail because it's supposed to be a beach blanket. However, as you can see, it's like big enough. It's like big enough to be a tablecloth. So that's what it's going to be, is a nice little tablecloth or outdoor table or something along that line. So yeah, Temu fail on that one.
We can have a tea party.
Yeah, we could have a tea party, exactly. What's next?
Mat.
The mat.
This is a camping mat.
It looks kind of like our trailer in a way. Like a little trailer. We'll put that in our entryway of the trailer, or even entryway of the tent or the van eventually when it is ready.
Super, just stop.
Yeah, it's one of those memory foam styles. That's a Temu purchase as well.
This is Happy Camper.
Happy campus. That's what we are, right? Are we happy campers? Yeah. We love to camp. What do you think's next to show?
The kitchen stuff.
The kitchen stuff? Okay, what do you want to show first? Yeah, we just got some wooden forks and spoons and a ladle.
Like these are way too big for me.
Yeah, I don't think Olivia's going to be able to use the spoons. Maybe not even the fork either, but they're nice. Temu as well. This is dollar store. That's just a wooden ladle, actual wood. And then we got just some small things from the dollar store to add to our collection.
Because yeah, silicone to buy.
Yeah,
Then
for my loose tea, to steep my loose tea. You want to show those?
these.
Yeah. You just show them one. We don't need to show them both. Up to you.
Well,
Here, I'll hold one up. What are these?
Water hole top thingy.
Yeah, for our water. We collect our water at the campground.
We got a green one and
Beige.
beige.
And they got cute mountains on them. And these are also from Temu. Pretty much everything you're seeing is from Temu or the dollar store. Here, I'll take that out just because it's.
Yeah.
So for when we're cooking, I can just put, to like grill stuff, I can just put this on top of our gas stove or propane stove and grill some stuff on there instead of dragging a little barbecue with us. So yeah. And we have here.
These are some hooks.
Yeah, these are little clips. So if we hang lights up on the awning, it just helps, little clips to help them stay on. And then these, here, I'll just take one out, kid. These are just little hooks. So you wrap this around oh, they're very hard to move. But you wrap it around the post and then you have like a little hook to hang a light on or something maybe needs to dry. 2 of those. Same with the S hooks. They're from the dollar store. And that same kind of thing, just to hang stuff up. Oh, this is a magnetized hook, so you can use it on top of an awning. So this part would sit on the top of the awning, this would be under the awning, and then they just magnetize together, and then you can hang a light or whatever you need to hang from there. You want to show that? Show it the opposite, other way. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is like a sticker deco for a camper.
Put that on when we dig ladybug out from the winter. So this here is a folding bin, and it has this nice top on it here. So what you do is you just pull it up. Sorry, Olivia, I know you're behind there somewhere. Oh my goodness. Of course, this is gonna cause me grief right now. Oh goodness. Okay. There we go. Olivia's behind there somewhere. So anyways, it folds up like this. My goodness, I think this is the first time I put this thing up. And then it has this nice top piece here that you can use it as like a tabletop or a side table.
Or a cutting board.
Yeah, I don't know if it's cutting board material, but you could put a cutting board up on top of this and make this like a prep area for your kitchen.
Yeah.
And then these, if you want to access if you have pantry items or what dishes or whatever inside, these open on both the front and the back. And also, close those. And also on the sides here. You unlock and then you can access whatever you've got in there. So we got 2 of those for storage and tabletop things for in the tent.
And a table
Yes.
thingy. Make chicken.
Oh, got a handle. You just unlock here. And you pull it open like this. And there you have a table.
Come on.
And this was a decathlon purchase. So this is another table. This is a Temu purchase again. Flip it over upside down for me.
Look like a person.
Yeah, and then it has this, I don't know, can you guys see that? Whoops. It's got a hook up top so you could hang a light or something along that line. Up top.
Hang me.
Hang you. And the legs extend. The legs extend so you can change the height of the table. Put as a little side table by the fire or something like that. And this is another table.
That will be our table thing.
Yeah. Doing this right. What? Okay, there we go. I just click in. And wrong way. This just clips in on top.
There's another table. It's like I don't know how to explain it.
It's a folding table that you put together. So that's all the goodies that we have to share with you today. So thanks for watching. Is there anything you'd like to say?
I would like to mention that I do the I am currently doing a slide video tomorrow. Hope you watch it.
Yeah, so stay tuned for Olivia's slime video she wants to do. It'll be coming in the next couple days. All right, well, thanks for watching and
Please fucking subscribe.
have a good night, everybody.